Hey guys, we came to this waterfall cave. Apparently there's a passage at the top of it that nobody's went down. We're gonna find it.
Follow this one, okay? Watch this.
Come on in. Let's see about this cave that you found.
Dude, it's crazy.
Got the water coming out.
It's very cavey.
Oh, that got cold.
Oh man, the steam.
I'm regretting my decision.
Is there gas in this?
Oh, it's gassy.
It's very foggy.
That's so cold.
Whoa, dude. Whoa. Did it stop? No, I think we gotta go up this waterfall. Whoa. Waterfall. Oh, there you go.
We gotta bend it.
Dude.
We gotta keep going, guys. We're getting backed up.
You really want to go up this wall? We got it. We gotta go see what it's doing.
Gotta keep going.
Is Hannah back there?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's so cold.
Ooh. That wasn't the waterfall, right?
That was it.
What?
It ain't very impressive today.
Yeah.
It's usually cooler.
Oh, how has nobody said that waterfall before?
This is so cold. Dude, I hear more water.
You hear water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I can do this part. That ain't too bad. Yeah, I hear something, man. Oh, no.
What's up, Hannah?
I think it's deeper than I usually do. I did not remember being with that last time.
No. My feet are numb.
That's the only way up.
Hey, we gotta figure it out.
You were lying. That wasn't the one.
That's what the water was about.
Dude, there's a rusty ladder sitting there.
Did you pull it out underwater?
Yeah. Oh, it just broke. It just broke, dude.
That is not the same thing, right? Where the heck did you find that?
No. You just go. There's only one way.
Either way for us. We got the big way.
Whoa, dude. Look at this place. What do you think of this area, Hannah?
It's pretty cool. Whoa.
Go ahead. On there. Whoa. That's crazy. Go ahead.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I can feel the heat.
There's a big pool coming up. Uh-oh. Wow. That looks fun. I dare you to jump in. I'll do it. I dare you. Okay. I'll straight up do it. I want to see how deep it is. What's doing it? Oh, that's not the guy. Oh, the body's gonna disappear.
Not even gonna drown.
You're all crazy. Alright, we're all oh, you want to try this?
That one looks a little deeper.
Whoa, yeah, it's a little deeper. Oh, well, you don't have to go there.
You almost vanished. You almost vanished.
Yeah, don't go in that one, guys. You can't go in that one.
What in the world?
This is a really cool looking passage, though. Look at all these little pink pools.
It looks cooler up here.
What? Okay, we might want to straddle it.
Dude, it looks so cool.
Yeah, it's like
This is crazy, Hannah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Whoa. She left me. You're exploring the cave? I got you. Whoa! Look at all this.
Little formation.
Heck yeah. Are they coming? We're just making our way through the cave. Little trickler. But check this guy. He is pretty good. Cave lobster in case we get hungry. Got it?
Yeah. Hey, you're in my way.
Oh, don't jump.
you got it.
You're still in my way. I'm going down right here.
I have to watch your head. Oh, you got it.
Either way, I don't know what I'm going for.
What's that?
Either way.
We're just going forward. Woo! That's chilly on the feet. I'm gonna continue on. Huh? Hit your elbow?
Yeah, so I'm trying to help the rock and save it not to get down.
A hole?
No, it's not easy. I'll get it through. Whoa! Almost died. I mean, we just got 4 wetsuits, so. Yeah, it's very comfortable. Wetsuit power. That's a balancing act right there.
Yeah, I'm stuck. Guess I'm going in.
It's not too bad. It's not bad.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out if I want to just swing real quick or not.
You thought you were going under, didn't you?
No, I'm just trying to wait at the wind and go underneath the ledge right.
You're different. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking I'm just going under. Yeah.
God, it's actually kind of hard to get under here.
Big rock in the way.
Oh, it drops off there.
Alright, sorry. Whoa! That is a deep one. Somebody go in. I want to see it. Here, I'm good. Like deep guy. I don't have it. This whole room up here. Whoa! Oh, we gotta go up, guys. That doesn't look good.
Look at that.
See, maybe now we're supposed to go up. I don't think so. Well, look at the dripping blood formation. I might go down. That's a wet I'll take some water.
Oh, there's a rope.
There's a rope.
We're going up it?
We're going up it.
Go up it.
We got one person trusting the rope so far.
It's like, wait till you see it up. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. It's shoddy.
I'm doing that too. Once I test it, it'll really stay for everything. There's a light spread. I'll probably go for it. I'm still got way ahead of the
Not again.
Shoot. It's getting wacky.
I told you. I've been saying it for years. Dangerous.
This is a cake that goes on forever.
Yes, sir. It makes the connection
The connection?
to Petty John's.
Oh! The connection to Kenny. The famed connection.
Yep. I must say, my feet are a little cold.
They're getting cold?
Yeah, my feet are.
Yeah, I'm just cold in general. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I'm a wetsuit. I'm doing good.
Whoa.
Dude, look at all those bats.
Are there?
There's like 100 freaking bats up there.
Those are bats?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's like a great cluster.
They're going to be so mad at you.
Yeah, dude, that's like over 100 bats right there.
Yes, sir.
I heard the bats, they like loud noises.
They do. Do you got a quarter stick?
I heard they like rock. They like rock. That's what they do, man.
Get off there.
One of them's yawning. Whoa.
On the waterway now. Alright. But there's no other way to go back there?
I don't know. I'm taking his word for it.
Well, where's the water coming
I promise
from?
you, there's nothing. It looks collapsed.
It's collapsed.
Gotta
See,
go
I said
under
the
it.
same thing to Edward before, and he found a way.
Horrible.
Is Hannah going through there with you? Oh, she's
No,
up there.
she's taking the top
She
way.
was smart.
I might just take the top way.
I don't know. I would have the water sounded nice.
Okay.
I'm boarding it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take some snacks.
I'm gonna get some snacks.
This is what I came through before, right?
This is bad.
No.
Ah.
Dude, what is it like back there?
So it just becomes a pile and it meets to the water, and that's it. You
No.
have to remove rocks and everything.
No.
Oh, yeah, I came
This
up
is
right
where
here.
the water's growing, right here.
Well, I can show you.
Nah, I know. I don't want to see it.
Okay.
I'm okay with not seeing it. I'll watch your video.
Bet.
But there's no other side passage.
No, other than when he came from.
Crap.
So you know that first little waterfall we came up, the little one?
Yeah.
The first one? There's a passage that shoots to the right that looks pretty convincing.
Oh, we should go over there.
It is so muddy, but it's almost fun.
Let's go check it out.
I don't like this.
Grab your handhold there. To your right. Yeah.
Almost. Oh, geez. Got those guys. Everyone's leaving. They're bailing.